Discussing salary can feel uncomfortable, but it is a crucial part of any job interview. Answer too low, and you risk underselling yourself. Answer too high, and you might price yourself out of the job. So how do you strike the right balance? Employers ask this question to see if your salary expectations align with their budget and to assess your confidence in knowing your worth. The key is to approach this question strategically, with research and flexibility, rather than guessing a number on the spot. Today, we will learn how to discuss salary professionally and effectively. Objectives of this lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to answer salary questions confidently without underselling yourself. Research industry standard salaries and determine a reasonable range. Respond strategically to keep the negotiation open. How to answer. What are your salary expectations? This question helps employers assess whether your expectations fit within their budget, how well you understand industry standards, and if you value your skills appropriately. The worst way to answer is by throwing out a random number without research or saying, "I'll take anything." Instead, a strong answer should be based on research. Know the typical salary for the role in your industry and location. Show flexibility. Give a reasonable range rather than a fixed number. Keep the conversation open. Avoid locking yourself into a number too soon. Researching salary ranges. Before an interview, find out what professionals in your field earn based on experience, industry, and location. Here's how. Use salary research tools. Check platforms like Glassdoor, PayScale, and LinkedIn Salary. Look at job postings. Some job descriptions include salary ranges. Consider cost of living. A marketing manager in New York will have a higher salary than in a smaller city. Example answer. Well-researched and flexible. Based on my research and industry standards in this location, I'd expect a salary between $55,000 and $65,000. However, I'm open to discussing the overall compensation package and opportunities for growth. When to delay answering. If you're unsure of the salary range or want to keep the discussion open, it's okay to delay answering. This works best in early interview stages, when you may not have all the job details yet. Example answer. Delaying response. I'd love to understand more about the full scope of the role and benefits before discussing salary. Could you share the range you've budgeted for this position? Turning the question back to the employer, you gain insight into their budget without giving away your expectations too soon. What to avoid. Giving an exact number too early, you lose flexibility in negotiations. Saying, "I'll take anything." This makes you seem desperate and undervalues your skills. Overestimating unrealistically. If you aim too high without justification, you may be ruled out. Instead, stay professional, flexible, and well-informed.